Anybody like golf? I had about 50 years of Masters golf tournament badges from Augusta, Georgia. This is all I got left. Oh, look at this one. 1969. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, brake light switch on the Mercedes. Supposedly, it's down here. Man, getting close to 50 sucks. Well, okay, it looks like I gotta remove some stuff. I guess it's back up here somewhere. I think there's one screw. One, two, I think there's 3 or 4. So I'm gonna remove that panel, and then when I find it, I'll show it to you. Okay, there's the brake switch. What I had to do was remove 4 screws and drop this kick panel down that's underneath the dash. And I really need to undo the hood release, but I'm gonna try and get to it without doing that. Trying to get a good view, but that's it with the connector plugged in. So I'm gonna get that unplugged, and I believe you twist it counterclockwise and it comes right out. Let's freaking hope so. Okay, there's the plug. And what we're looking at is the back with the wire plugged into the back there. So this is the new one. I still haven't removed the old one, so I'm gonna try and get that out now. Impossible to film and show you how to do that. It's such a tight space. But I will be right back and we'll see what we got. Okay, there's the brake light switch with the wires disconnected. There were 2 wires plugged into it. As you can see, it has 4 prongs or 4 pins, and it's supposed to turn either clockwise or counterclockwise. I need to look it up again, but that's it, and it should just pop on out. So we'll be right back. Okay, this is the old one, and this is my new one. Oh, come back, you bastard. I'm so shaky. As you can see, my new one is obviously an aftermarket part. I guess I didn't buy Mercedes OEM, so hopefully it will work. One thing I learned was people are installing these and they're still getting the warning lights on their dash, as well as their cruise control is not working and your brake lights are not working. You have to make sure this plunger right here on the end is fully extended when you take it out of your packaging, okay? And all you do is just give it a little pull and it pops out. If you don't do that, the brake pedal never makes contact with the plunger and it won't work. So just a little FYI there. I had to press, dadgummit, had to press this little, see that little tab right there? I'm sorry, I'm so shaky, y'all. Parkinson's, it's a bitch. Press that little tab and then you turn clockwise and it just slipped right out. So now, if I go back up in here, Ah, there's the hole. See the hole with the notches? That's where it goes. So I'm gonna slide the new one in there, and let's keep our fingers crossed. Be right back. Voila, it's in. See the little prongs? Just stick it in, turn it counterclockwise, and then it locks into place. Very, very simple. So I need to hook my 2 wires up, and we should be good to go. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if these lights are gone. I'm gonna be pissed if they're not. Oh, yes, thank you. Woo, worked up a sweat out here. It wasn't that hard of a task. It's just a muggy day out here. I know it only says 74, but it's been raining. It's so muggy, I'm just sweating like a pig. Do pigs sweat? Oh, hell, I don't know. Anyway, that fixed it. Oh, man, that's great. Okay, so job done, job complete. And there you have it. Y'all have a fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.